The non-custodial wallet is the best way to secure your crypto assets. We truly believe that the Ledger is one of the best non-custodial wallets on the market. It's very easy to set it up. It takes only a few minutes to do that, and it has all that you need in its package. You will find there a little instructions book, a few cards to note your seed phrase, and a USB cable to charge it and connect it to a PC or mobile phone. When you set it up for the first time, the Ledger will generate your seed phrase, and this is the only time when you'll be able to see it. Write it down on one of the cards. Check it twice in order to be sure that you didn't forget anything. And that's it. Your Ledger, and therefore your wallet, is ready to use. Now comes the tricky part. The freshly generated seed phrase becomes the most important thing in your entire crypto world. How can you keep it safe? You can't just leave it on a piece of paper that could so easily give access to all of your funds. This paper can burn. Going further, in contact with water, it will most likely disintegrate itself. You could hide it in a very safe place. But are you sure it's 100% safe from anyone that could steal it from you? Let's say we prefer to be more cautious than this. That's why we created Kryptodots. This stainless steel plate is resistant to fire, water, or any other natural and catastrophic conditions. Kryptodots can store your seed phrase that's encoded in dots. But, for more details about Kryptodots, its properties, and how to use it, we invite you to watch our video from the link in the description. Make sure that you'll recover your wallet at any time and purchase now a Kryptodots kit. Together with the Ledger, it's the only security pack you need for your crypto safety.